This is a dorma cut half cylinder that Nigby sent me. I'm not real sure what model it is. To get into it, I'm gonna try to use the Lolox Tools 31,000 in my Moki standard. I'm gonna start out at the bottom and just try to get a couple of these pins pushed up a little bit, and then come back up to this edge right here. And that was 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm pushing the lock down. 5. And the angle I had my pick at put 2 and 3 where they needed to be. But that's the dorma half cylinder from Nigby.